we know we can make a pizza in our Pit Boss vertical smoker. We've done it already. Hey, check out the link there, and you can see that one being cooked in the smoker. It will show you how to make the pizza dough and what I made as a pizza homemade for the smoker. Now we're going to try this on the Char-Broil Grill. Hey, we got a pizza stone. Let's give it a try. This isn't really about the pizza. It's more like, can we cook a pizza on the grill? And this is a gas grill. Let's see what happens. Now this is a take and bake ultimate meat medium pizza, 12-inch. There it is, all ready to put in the grill on the pizza stone. Now we have the temperature up pretty high on this, and I think it's a little over 500 degrees. Because when we open it, you know, it's going to lose most of its heat, so we want all the metal heated up so it don't take so long to get back up to temp. So this has got pepperoni, Philly steak, sausage, bacon, and I bet it's going to be pretty good. So let's see if we can't get this thing into this oven. Let's see what the temperature is here. I guess we can call our grill a oven for right now. Looks like we're up to about 550 degrees, just pretty close to 550 degrees. I think that's going to be plenty hot. We'll get this thing open, lay that pizza in there, and see if this grill will cook this pizza. And we're going to be using our Blackstone Griddle spatulas because we don't have a pizza peel. Now this is a frozen pizza, but you thaw it out thoroughly in the refrigerator before you bake them. And while we had the lid open, you can see the temperature drop, but it's coming back up now. Okay, this pizza stone is new. We've never used it. We seasoned it, and we placed this pizza on it. Not homemade, it was a frozen pizza that was thoroughly thawed. And I tell you what, it looks like it's doing pretty good. It's browning evenly all the way around and going inward towards the center, looking good. A little eye rest from the grilling, and we'll look out through the pasture and see the trees are still green. The pasture needs water though. I believe this pizza is ready. Hey, that looks fantastic. Looks even across through the pizza. Really looks good. I don't think you could get more evenly cooked pizza than that on anything else. I mean, never had to turn it, rotate it, or anything. There it is. It's done. And the pizza, all the cheese is melted. I believe this is ready. Hey, it looks fantastic. And as I said, it's even all the way around and through into the middle of it. Hey, the crust was good and brown on it. It tastes delicious. I mean, I tell you what, for a frozen pizza, it tastes pretty good. Pretty good. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, I hope you consider subscribing. I want to thank each and every one for watching.